Hello, welcome back to my channel, Jacqueline's Beauty. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. This is a series on long-lasting makeup. So, if you want to know what's coming up, stay tuned. Okay, you guys, this is all about my series on finding the best long-lasting wearable makeup. Makeup that will stay on all day, all night, but doesn't crease, crack, or fade away. And if you wipe your lips, it's not totally disappearing. We don't want our makeup to transfer onto others, but we definitely want it to stay on our faces, okay? So I'm gonna go over a few of the ones that have worked very, very well for me that I highly recommend. And this is all about lips today, okay? My strong recommendation is that you take time to take care of your lips. First of all, that will help for your lipstick to stay in place. A couple of things that I use, which I have kind of a plethora of things right here. However, that being said, I'm going to share with you some of the things that I use. I like this L'Oreal. It's a pure sugar scrub. This one here is in grapeseed. I'm not that big on the flavor, but it does its job. You put it on, you want to make sure that you scrub your lips at least twice a week. And if you can't really afford or don't have the money at this time to get this, use sugar and olive oil. There you go. Okay, and then I also use Urban Decay Rehab Lip Prep. This is Lip Love. This stuff right here is phenomenal. I really like it. I went ahead and ordered that other one. Let's see. It says shea butter, coconut oil, moisturizing. And it is, and it even smells divine. Another thing that I use is by RK Cosmetics. It's a lip oil. It's a hydrating lip oil. So I use these in between, washing my face, cleaning my skin. I also clearly take care of my lips. Next is, well, this is actually one. It's by Milani. This is a lip gloss, but it's a serum almost for your lips. It's great. It's almost gone. I haven't been able to find it. I don't know what I'm going to do. And then this is by Milani also. This is Keep It Clean. When you're wearing lipstick that will last all day and night, you're going to need a little help taking it off. Phenomenal. It's almost gone. And every time I go to the drugstore, some drugstores in the Midwest has stopped selling Milani. I can't find it. I'm probably going to have to order from their website. Okay, so next, when it comes to lips, after you cleanse your lips, scrub your lips, take care of them and moisturize them, I do recommend this NYX. It's a lip primer. Whether it's this brand or another brand, it is important to prime your lips before you apply your lipstick. I highly recommend on a regular basis to always use a lip liner. It helps for your lipstick not to run, bleed, or fade away. So I have just a plethora of lip liners, whatever your fancy is. This is Jeffree Star's. I love his packaging. So at that point, you want to have either your mattes, your satin, your shimmer, your lip gloss, and the likes. So I'm going to go over a few brands that really work for me. And these are lipsticks. Kiko Milani. They have great packaging too. Their lipstick stays on forever. I'm telling you, forever. Nice packaging. Excellent quality of care, for sure. I love it. Once again, this is Kiko Milani. Kiko Milano. Don't forget the O. Another brand that I gravitate towards is CoverGirl. CoverGirl's lipstick, I put it on, and it's not so matte that it's sucking the nutrients and the moisture out of your lips. It's very hydrated, and it does last a long time. Next is L'Oreal. L'Oreal works well for me. I have an array of their colors and lipsticks, lip gloss, and the likes. I'm telling you, you won't have to buy them. These last forever. I love it. So moving on to the lip gloss. It's like a lip Lipstick Gloss. This is by Christian Dior, a little bit on the pricey side, but very, very nice. Excellent, nice packaging. So it has full color and it goes on well, and honestly, you're going to need something to help you take this off. Okay, I really, really love Hard Candy brand. This is a Shimmer plus Pumping Lip Serum. I tried it out. I said, okay, my lips are nice and full, but why not try it out? I love it. I love it, love it. I have several. I love it. And it slowly but surely gradually plumps the lips, but it stays on all day. Okay. Next, I must give credit to Jeffree Star. Jeffree Star's lip pencils, glosses, lipsticks, they move it and they don't come off. Next, this is a brand that is very, very affordable, NYX. And it's a lip lingerie. It's color, actually, and it goes on quite nice, very nice applicator, and it doesn't move. This is their matte finish. I'm telling you, you gotta really use something strong to get it off. And this is like a darker brown that I love. I love to kind of give that blend ombre look or whatever. So these are a few of the things that I personally recommend and use simply to make sure your lips are beautiful, kissable, and touchable. So I suggest you, if you do not have the means to get certain things, make it at home. The sugar scrub, you know what's in it, sugar and olive oil. Hello, or canola oil, or vegetable oil, whatever you like. And then you could also, this Love Prep, the Love Lip, oh my God. It's good and it's flavorful, but honestly, it's a lot like Vaseline. We all can get a jar of Vaseline and have at it. And the same thing with the remover. It's gotta have some purities and properties in it, like Vaseline, because Vaseline will take off your lipstick. And as far as a primer, you could always use a little bit of what you have, like a corrector stick. If you have one, you could put that on your lips before you apply your makeup and lipstick. Works great. And these products range from a variety of price points. You know, NYX probably being the least expensive, but I got Hard Candy at the drugstore or Target or something like that. So I highly recommend, especially when you're having this self-care at home, take care of your lips, take care of your skin, take care of your body and your mind. All right, you guys, let me know what products you recommend. If there's something you want me to try out, or you have a good recommendation for some type of makeup or lipstick or blush that is long lasting, that's what I gravitate to. So thank you guys so much for tuning in. Don't forget to click the JB and subscribe to this little happy family. Click the bell so that you're notified every time we upload a new video. Follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Check out Jacqueline's Beauty blog, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Remember to subscribe to my channel, Jacqueline's Beauty, and join this happy little family. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.